Hi there, it's Laura Heydrich with the Pain Cure Clinic, where we teach you how to cure your chronic pain and stay cured. Today's episode is all about the purpose of pain. What purpose, you're thinking, could pain possibly serve? Well, as hard as it is to believe, there's a real function or purpose to both acute pain and chronic pain. So let's take a look at acute pain first, where the purpose is more obvious. Acute pain, like hitting your finger with a hammer, is a warning sign that you may need medical attention and also that you might need to change behavior, the behavior that caused the pain in the future. Here are some examples of acute pain and the message being sent. A broken arm, snowboarding can be dangerous, and also go to the emergency room. Burn pain from a hot stovetop, don't touch a hot stovetop like that again. A toothache, possible infection, go to the dentist and floss more. Pain from a black eye, don't pick on someone who has a big brother in the Marines. All these types of acute pain have a purpose, and that is to guide you in a better, healthier, longer, and safer life. On the other hand, there's a perception that chronic pain has no purpose. It just comes out of nowhere, or you're born with it, like I was told with my arthritis. Chronic pain causes are just unknown, and that's the end of that. This idea of purposeless pain is encouraged and supported by the medical community. But here's the thing, this type of thinking is completely wrong. Chronic pain, like acute pain, also has a very important purpose, and it too can lead you to a healthier, happier, stronger, pain-free life. The problem is that you just haven't been listening. Well, now is a great time to start listening, to drill down to what's causing the most emotional tension in your life and repeatedly triggering chronic pain. Chronic pain is making you aware of something or more than one thing in your life that you need to look at, and it won't go away until you pay attention. Your back pain is more likely due to a tyrannical boss than a less than ergonomic office chair. So you can switch out chairs all you want to and see the chiropractor 3 times per week, but the pain won't stop until you address the real problem. Start looking for another job. And then there are the seemingly endless issues that can arise just while trying to navigate through life itself. The source of your pain may be one big negative issue, or more likely, layers of small irritations and frustrations that add up to a lot of weight on your back, or your shoulder, or your knee. The pain in your neck may be being caused by a person in your life who is actually a pain in the neck. Granted, the purpose of chronic pain is not as obvious as the purpose of acute pain. So you've got to be a bit of a detective to make the connection, and that's something we help people with in our coaching programs. My pain didn't stop permanently until I understood what in my life was causing me to be tense and stressed all the time. And then I was able to make changes, and the pain went away. Now I feel better mentally and physically on a day-to-day basis in my 50s than I felt in my 20s or 30s. I'm living my true life, not the path society said would make me happy. That didn't work for me, and it doesn't work for most people. With the fog of ongoing pain gone, I'm more creative and optimistic and happy. When the life sentence of chronic pain is lifted, you'll be amazed at the world of opportunity, productivity, and joy that opens up to you. So the most important point to get out of this episode is to redirect your attention in order to cure your chronic pain. What I mean by that is stop looking for a medical reason for tinnitus or gastrointestinal issues or back pain or whatever name your chronic illness has been assigned, and start looking for psychological life issues that need to be addressed. Once you understand the purpose to your chronic pain and address it, the pain will go away. If this eye-opening perspective makes you say, hell yes, I want to be pain-free and better than before too, then click the subscribe button below and share this video with others. Also, check out the link below to our coaching options, including our video masterclass for how to cure chronic pain. You can do this.